National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newcastle, moving east at 25 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Newcastle and West Norman. Expected hazards include baseball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Bridge Creek, Stanley Draper Lake, and Western Lake Thunderbird. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.